Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Google Sheets, staring at a huge pile of data and thinking, I wish I could quickly find just the rows I colored for follow-up, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to filter your data by color using the built-in filter by color function in Google Sheets TM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make those colorful highlights you've added actually work for you, speeding up your workflow and saving you tons of time trying to track down specific data. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is select the sheet that contains your data. Now, this may sound simple, but make sure you've actually clicked into the correct sheet at the bottom if you have more than one, and click on any cell within your data range. Google Sheets needs to know which information you're working with before you apply any filters. It's sort of like making sure you're looking at the right notebook before you start flipping through pages. If you don't, you won't see the changes where you intend them. Next, you're going to add a filter. At the top of your Google Sheets window, you'll see a toolbar with a little icon that looks like a funnel. This is your Create a Filter button. Go ahead and click it. When you do this, you'll notice that small funnel icons now appear at the top of each column in your dataset. These allow you to control how your information gets displayed. If you're working with a really big set of data, give it a second. It might take a moment for all those filter icons to appear. Now it's time to put the filter to work. Click on the filter dropdown in the column containing the color you want to filter by. Usually this is the header cell right at the top of your column. When the drop-down menu opens, you'll see a lot of options, but don't let that overwhelm you. Look for the one that says Filter by Color. Go ahead and hover over it. This feature is fantastic for visual organizers. Basically, if you're someone who color codes for priority or category, this is where you get to sort only what you need to view. Once you hover over Filter by Color, you'll see two more choices, Fill Color and Text Color. For this tutorial, since we want to filter based on the color you use to fill the cells, click on Fill Color. Here's a quick tip. If your data is highlighted with colored backgrounds, this is the option you want. If instead you colored the font, then Text Color would be for you. After you've selected Fill Color, Google Sheets will show you a little menu with all the colors used in that column cells. All you need to do now is pick the color you want to filter by. Maybe you're just interested in the rows you marked yellow as urgent, or maybe the ones you highlighted green for completed. Just click on the color you want, and in a blink, Sheets will instantly filter your data, hiding all the rows that don't match the color you selected. This is such a powerful way to visually target information and never lose sight of what matters, particularly when you're juggling multiple tasks or flags. And that's really all there is to it. Don't worry if you don't see your colored rows right away. Sometimes Google Sheets takes a second or two to process, especially with large datasets. And remember, if you ever want to clear the filter and go back to viewing everything, just click that filter icon again and select None under Fill Color. I really hope this trick helps you make better use of your time and keeps your sheets organized exactly the way you like them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and effective Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.